Can you tell me, is it 6 or 9?
It's
What
both.
do you think? What is it?
It's both.
It's
Both.
both. Yeah, it's both for you. Maybe it's 6 for me, maybe it's 9 for you, maybe it's 9 for me, maybe it's 6 for you. Is it? So we
Yes.
may have a different perspective, Sambhavi,
Yeah.
based on the information that I have gathered, based on the information or opinion that you have. Is it? Okay. So two people can look at the same object or situation and see it in completely different way. Is it, Sambhavi?
Yeah.
Yes. Now that we were talking about global perspective, a global you should know what to write. A global perspective may come from a specific country, organization, institution, or even an individual. What it will have an influence that spread beyond any one country. When we talk a global, it means we are not talking about one country. It is going to impact beyond any one country. Done?
Yeah.
Now, Bache, I was telling you about global perspective, why this course is inculcated into a syllabi. This is going to, Bache, develop the thinking and communication skills. As as we were discussing about water crisis, is it? If you know the concept of the topic, you will develop thinking skill, is it?
Yes.
If you know something about the topic, you will be communicating as well. You will be telling the things, you will be telling to other also, so it will going to increase your communication skill, Sambhavi.
Yeah.
Okay, so this course is going to do that. This subject is going to do that. This course is going to do that. Okay, next, Pache, it also going to developing skills through connecting learning with the real world issue. Here we are not going to talk about any imaginary word. I was also telling you that we are going to talk about global issues, for example water crisis, for example climate change, for example migration, different global issue. We are going to talk about, we are going to study about real world issue here. Okay, Sambhavi.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, Bache, the topic is globalization that I was talking about. It is in your syllabi. Now, what is globalization? I have right here. In simple term, if I tell you, Bache, it is increasing connection and interdependence of countries, where countries are interrelated, okay, where their culture is interrelated and making the world feel smaller. For example, even now we are global. I am sharing my knowledge with you. Is it?
Yes.
Is it, Sambhavi? Write this definition. Globalization. Can you see the screen, but Sambhavi?
Yes.
Okay. Can you please write this definition? Globalization, in simple term, is increasing connection and interdependence of countries, economies, not countries, even economies. As I told you, that other companies can sell their goods and services to my country. My country can sell their goods and services to other countries. So we are also connecting economic wise, yes, and cultural worldwide, and making the world feel smaller. Finished writing till here. Yes, Pache? Yes, Sambhavi?
Yeah, I'm finished.
Okay. Are you saying something?
No.
Finished writing till smaller, and tell me when you finished writing.
Yeah, I'm finished writing.
Finished writing? Yes. Now please read out the definition of globalization for me.
Globalization in simple terms is the increasing connection and uh, intercultures.
Increasing connection and
Um,
interdependence of countries.
yeah.
Countries are
E-
interdependent on each other, no?
yes. Economies
Okay.
and cultures worldwide, making the world feel smaller.
Feel smaller. Okay. So, write about. Also write this statement after. Leave one space and write this statement. One of the effect of globalization.
Yeah.
Write this statement. One of the effect of globalization. Then I explain. Okay.
Mm.
One of the effect of globalization is that it
No,
promotes an increase.
is it okay if I don't write because we don't get the definition? We get
Okay. 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 You don't need to. You don't need to. Okay, just listen this statement. One of the effect of globalization. Now, what are the impact of globalization? Is it good or bad? What do you think?
Um, good.
As I, yes, tell me. What do you think? You tell your views.
It's good.
It's good. So look what they have. I have right. One of the effect of globalization is that it promotes an increased interaction between different regions and population around the globe. Is it? Can you see? I have also bache, drawn this. What is the impact of globalization? Economic impact. Yes,
Yes.
I can. My country can sell its goods and services to other country. Yes,
Yes.
that's for trade. What is it? Trade. Social impact is there. Culturally, we can exchange our views with the different countries. So it is also the example of globalization. Technological impact. Yes. Then environmental impact. Finished till here? Also, I give you example of globalization. What was that?
Like connecting to each other.
Yes, not example. I was telling you that I can enjoy the coffee from a different country if I
Yeah.
want. This is because of the globalization. I
Yeah.
can the internet made so easy that I can watch movies of different country. I can listen to music from all around the world. Is it? It is because of the globalization. Tell me yes or no. What do you think?
Yes.
Is it? You can easily watch movies. You can easily listen to music of all different country because of internet. Here we are talking to each other. I can share my knowledge to you. It's because of the globalization only. Done? Do you understand that? If you have any doubt, you can ask me now.
Yeah, I have no doubt.
Okay. So here I have also bache, right, impact of a globalization. Communication, is it? Is it in enhancing the communication skill?
Yeah.
Yes. Then their cultural transfer, trade. What is trade? Tell me what is trade?
Like trading
Im-
with different countries or regions.
Wait, I'll explain. Okay. So there is import and export. What is it? Import and export. For example, let's talk about India. And here I'll talk about China. Okay. Done. So here China, as I told you, everything around the any electrical thing around us, it says made in China. Is it?
Yes.
So they are exporting their electrical equipment. Is it? So to different country, China is exporting electrical equipment to different countries. For example, let's say India. So what is it? Export. What is it?
Export.
And if you see clearly, export has ex. Ex mean exit. So they are sending out. Okay, so exit. In India, if I'll say India is rich in agriculture. For example, India is importing agriculture
Yes.
product. What is it importing? Agriculture product to China. So what is it doing? Importing. Importing. What is it doing? Importing. And that directly related to the trade. And im- that is directly related to the trade. And it is because of the globalization. As I have right impact for globalization. What is it? Trade.
In,
So can you tell me impact of a globalization? Number one would be communication.
communication.
Second would
So
be culture.
third would be transfer, and fourth would be
Yeah.
trade.
Now you know what is trade.
Yes.
Do you know what is trade? Sambhavi? Import
Yes.
and export. Is it? Okay. Now next I have with the image I have explained here. What if I'll talk about here they are exporting? If I'll talk about country A, country B. Here they are sending the things out, is it or not?
Yeah.
Sambhavi, I can hear some noise. Can you please be in a quiet place? Is that be fine for
Yeah.
you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, I've explained this all with the diagram also. Country A, country B, they are sending out their things. Can you see this arrow here?
Yes.
So they are exiting out their things. So it's called export. Is it? Now the country A, country B. Now this country B importing their things. Is it? To the country A. So that is called trade. And trade is great example of globalization. Trade is great example of globalization. But you know, you get it. What is globalization? Tell me.
It's trading.
Any doubt you can ask me. Yeah,
No.
it's trading, and it's because of globalization. And globalization is the topic in your syllabi. Yes, Bacha, ask me your doubt. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Somebody you can ask. You're free to ask me your doubt.
I don't have any doubts.
Okay, that's fine. So shall we move further?